Hi, so in this video I'm going to try and withdraw these $46 in TikTok. So this account is for a Zambian, so someone just contacted me asking help on how you can actually withdraw the money in TikTok in Zambia. So let's try it out. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So the first thing I will do is to add the payment method, or to change the payment method. So the account which is here is the account which refused to work. So I'm going to delete this account and add my own PayPal account which works. So the method is deleted, so I'm going to click on add payment method. Okay, then I'm going to choose PayPal. So right here there are withdraw instructions, so let me just read them fast. Click on agree and continue. So let's add the PayPal account now. Then click continue. Okay, so I'm going to click on agree and connect. Okay, so my PayPal email address has been added and I'll be able to withdraw direct to my PayPal account, which works. So now let me go back to the balance and I'm going to choose 46. I'm going to choose 46. Then I'm going to click on withdraw and I'm going to receive about 45.21. So this is okay with me. Not really with. Okay, so now the withdraw request has been submitted. Now all I have to do is wait for TikTok to approve the withdraw, and once TikTok approves the withdraw, I'm going to receive money into my TikTok account, into my PayPal account. So this is it for today's video. So once TikTok approves and once the money reaches my PayPal account, I'll probably make another video. So this is it about today's video. If you need help with withdrawing from PayPal, you can actually contact me. I can help you. By the way, I do create PayPal accounts that can help you withdraw in Zambia. So, and I charge for that. So contact me. My number will be in the description. Bye for now. Okay, actually, I didn't even have to pause the video. Actually, the money has already come into my PayPal account. So this is the email. It's saying TikTok has sent you money of about $45. So let me click on the email. Okay, so here the funds have been delivered successfully. So to confirm if the money is received, let me open up my PayPal so that you can see for yourself. Okay, I mean my fingerprint. Okay, so here you can see there's $45.87. So TikTok actually sends, it's near instant, like it was less than 5 minutes. And here is the payment. TikTok, 20 September. Today is actually 20 September. Okay, let me click on it. Okay, yes, you have received $45 from TikTok. So withdrawing money from TikTok in Zambia is very much possible. So I charge a 300 kwacha to create a PayPal account that can receive money. So now the question is, how can you get the money from PayPal to your bank account? Well, as we can see on the second transaction here, I actually withdraw the money to my bank account, which is a USA bank account. Then from the USA bank account, that is when now I transfer the money to my Zambian bank account. So my money will reach probably on September 21. So once you pay me to create a PayPal account, I'll create for you a USA bank account, and everything else is going to work. So remember to give this video a like. This is your YouTuber Keith Rins. Bye for now.